Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This question we have here, October 13, 42 variant. Question number one. Last year, Mukhtar or M earned this much money, $18,900. He did not pay a tax on, it means sometime government give a chance that first out of 18900. So if first $5,000, the 55,000, $5,500, no tax. So this is no tax. On this much money, no tax. No tax. Okay. So if I subtract that, so 18900 subtract 5500. So I get what? How much money left behind? $13400. It means here on this much money, no tax. Okay. And he said that 24% tax on the remaining amount. It means on this much money, he has to pay 24% tax. I believe all of you understood the concept. What is the explanation here? I repeat, how much Mukhtar pay last year? It means that 5,500 free. No money on that. So now this, I will deal this money as a full amount. So I will deal dollar sign and percentage. And this money I will take as a full amount. So 13400, full means 100%. And he has to pay 24%. So 24%, we want to find out how much tax he pays. So I'm writing T for tax. And you know it very well. This multiply with T and this multiply with a 24. So I'm writing here. I'm writing it here. So T times 200 equals to 24 times 2, 13400. And this 100 will divide, and common sense, this 20 will cancel with that. Okay. And 24 times 2, 134 is my answer. This is coming with us $3,216. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So tax, how much he has to pay is 3,016. Okay, this money he will pay as a tax. I think this part is very, very clear. How much Mukhtar earned? He says there. So how much Mukhtar earned each month after tax has been paid? It means from his own money, I will subtract this much money. So how much earned? So EARNED. How much earned? 18900 subtract 3216. So how much he earned? So I'm going to subtract 18900, and we subtract, we got a 15,684. But this is the money for the whole year. But he said, no, 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 not for the whole year, for each month. So this money I will divide by 12. Why divide by 12? So I'm writing yearly. This is yearly earned. But I talk about monthly. So monthly, how much? So 15684 divided by 12. And if you divide by 12, we get us $1,307. This is the money he earned monthly. I believe now gradually the question becoming easy now. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This year, Mukhtar now earned. The previous year, he earned this much money. But this year, he earned this much money. So he's asking how much percentage increase. Old money is this. Look, I'm writing here. Old amount is 18900. New amount is what? Okay, I do one favor. This I write below, and this I'm writing up. Okay, so new amount is very, very clear. New amount is 1919. Let me write again, 19750.50. And here double zero, I'm writing my own. Okay, the difference is coming here, difference. So how much he will get a more increase? How much increase? So an increase of the amount is very clear, 19750.50 minus 18900. The difference is coming 850.50. This much a difference. Okay. So how much we can find? I explained many times that there are few words: old, previous, okay, last year, whenever or cost. So these all we take it as 100%. You know it very well. So I will take this old money as 100%. So 100% and dollar So dollar, so 18900 equal to 100%. I believe you got a point. And I want to find how much this dollar equals to. So I'm writing here 0850.50 and I for increase. So let's start. So if you cross multiply, I just show working. I is equals to, so this will multiply with 100. I'm showing you 850.50 into 100, and this is multiplied with R, and later on we'll divide here. So I'm writing 18900, and I will get a percentage increase. And hold on, 850.50 and times 200 and divide by 18900. So percentage is coming 4.5. 4.5 percentage increase. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. I think idea is very, very clear. Last part of the question, Mukhtar has this much money, invest in the following way. So two investment techniques, simple interest and compound interest. I will make a division here. One, I'm using account A, simple, account B, compound. So account A, I'm finding here. Account B, I'm finding here. How much money investment in both ideas? P equal to 1500, P equals to 1500, total money, because all people know P is called investment. Okay, done. This is done. Now let's move it. So he said simple interest rate is 4.1 here. I'm writing here for rate of interest 4.1%. And what is rate of interest in B? So rate of interest is 3.3%. And how much money more he will get in 3 years after? So time for both is 3 years. 3 years. I'm going to find it. Let's see. Simple interest formula. Make sure chance of mix up. Simple interest I is equals to P R T divided by 100. P is 1500 into R is a 4.1, time is 3 years over double zero. Double zeros cancel out. 15 times to 4.1 times to 3. My answer is coming. The profit he earned $184.5. But is this net amount? No, not at all. Not at all. I will use formula P equals to, sorry, A equals to, A is equals to I, P plus I. Because I just said before in the previous lecture that whenever simple interest we use formula, this never give you net amount. This always give you profit. So profit plus his own amount will give us net amount. So 1500 plus profit is 184.5. If I add them, so what I get? So net amount, net worth after 3 years, 168.4, $168.4.50. This is a net amount after 3 years. I think all people understand. But a compound interest formula by default give you net amount. Look at, I'm writing formula for you, and I believe okay. P is what, students? P is 1500. You can see on the top. R is 3.3 over 100 to power T is 3 years. But for your knowledge, this formula will give you directly the net amount, the total amount. No need to add. Okay, so let me check what answer I'm getting here. 1501.102. But this is a money he will get in compound interest. This is the money he will get by simple interest. And how much more? So from this money, I will subtract this money. And which account we get a more? So common sense, account A, he get more. And how much difference? Let me find the difference, and then I tell you. The difference is coming with us is 183 point. Wait a minute. I check again. So 1500 plus 184.5. This is coming with me 1684 minus 1501.102. And the difference is coming with me 183 point. Wait a minute, please. Let me recheck. Any problem is there? Sir? Yes, student, there's one mistake in calculating, and calculator mistake, and I found it mistake clear. The answer is coming here 1653.45. So it means still A is bigger than that. And now if I subtract from here 1684.50, so difference is coming 31.05. So this is the difference. So alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, the idea is clear.